In 2022, how possible is it to fund your travels entirely using your creative skill? I spent 25 days putting this to the test and I filmed every single day. Welcome to episode number 1, episode number 2, day 3, 4. I show the process of how I work as a full-time videographer, from finding clients to shooting adverts and events, talking about reels, lenses, equipment, and general tips and advice for creatives looking to kickstart their career. Everyone's actually, I'll make you a better video. I hate doing that, I hate. What is the message that you need to get across with the products that you're using? Move, make it nice and wide, get as many crowd shots or hands in the air as possible. This is the ultimate creative guide to traveling full-time.